radio over there, 102.7.
Because I say one of the things I want to do this year, and I say I won't go out.
And you don't, if we don't they see them now, they go out where.
I don't they go out, so
yeah.
And I really enjoy them. At some point, you get an open mic, and typical of me,
voice.
I sing now. Okay, I know one person. Mm-hmm. I know one person for that. Okay, two people for that gathering, and the one I want sing that the other person we even sabi. I even win tickets to fit attend the event. In Glasgow, another meeting, but people really enjoy the.
So which song you sing?
Well, I don't sing my song, and somebody else I love so much, Jassy Velasquez, Crystal Clear. I get the soundtrack, so.
Just Lady J, maybe just feel as people who don't enjoy that, just give us the chorus. Only the chorus. Maybe just enjoy the chorus.
Okay.
Maybe
Now it's crystal clear, I'm falling for you. Now that I can see the mystery revealed. Now I'm coming clean. I can feel my fears released. Now it's crystal clear, I'm falling for you.
Okay.
I'm soft like clay. Your hands, they hold me. For you, I will run away. Just to hear you calling out my name. Now it's crystal clear, I'm falling for you. Now that I can see the mystery revealed. Now I'm coming clean. I can feel my fears released. Now it's crystal clear, I'm falling for it. Now the song where I sing. Why they laugh?
Mama gonna say who Lady J they fall for? You don't send message you. Say who she they fall for? You can't say smiley. Mama gonna they listen. So you say ask you say who they fall for.
If that one, you know the song. Papa God know the song. The last lines of the song now. Please catch me. I'm falling for you.
Who you call me this person where you they fall for?
God, I they fall for now. The trip for.
Did they trip for Baba God?
Say make it catch me. I they fall for him.
Oh.
What did they the same message? I be no before.
No before.
Okay.
The voice they don't send earlier on.
Okay.
So as you can't sing and finish, they shout.
They clap. But na small. One thing I love about the gathering, a small gathering. So I meet one or two people.
Okay.
I like the fact say one of the things where I say I won't do this year. I they do I they go out and I go more.
Yeah.
Movies day. So I go they always look out for new movies we don't come out and
go
watch them. You know.
Okay, I dey happy for you. At least you dey go out well for this year. I don't know me to go out. I don't know.
What happen? You will be.
But my weekend was good.
You go now. There's Rebecca dollars.
Be waiting. I will do
dollars. Becca.
Sometimes we dey live fake life. So you don't know if not the dollar and fake dollar.
You know if it be fake dollar, that kind of party don't be fake party.
Lady J, you don't dey sure if that dollar way dey fake.
If it be possible, but na still us the same, na still dollars. You know.
Lady J, I will play two voices for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the first one, daughter and mama, we get belly for the same man.
Hey.
Yep. And the second voice where you go here, the voice of one woman where one young lady go meet for inside the shop, and the woman, the lady they tell him say na him be in child where him leave for adoption. Say don't worry, make I play him. So when I play the two, you will understand better.
Okay.
So maybe just listen.
Oh yeah, no.
Beautiful thing, mother and daughter sharing the same husband and baby daddy. You know, it's such a beautiful thing.
It's not often that a mom and daughter are pregnant at the same time, let alone by the same man, but we wouldn't want things to be any other way. So when I found out that my mom was pregnant and by the same man as me, honestly it was unexpected because again, we weren't trying at all for a baby, but I don't think there was ever a moment in my mind where I was upset about it. It was pure joy and bliss for me, to know that I get to carry a baby alongside the woman who birthed me. And that our baby's going to share that, DNA from the same man. And, he's been so supportive and sweet. And I couldn't imagine things any other way now.
Okay. All right. So, Lady J.
Hey, God. What did I just hear?
Now why I play am? Now why I say I go come play and make people use their hear am? So,
hey.
Somebody said now Holy Ghost fire go follow this one.
God, anything we pass Holy Ghost fire. Anything we hot pass Holy Ghost fire.
Sorry, say Ìgbẹ̀yìn ti dé o. I just dey laugh.
You they carry belle for your daughter boyfriend, and you not feel anything.
But the girl too say she say na joy.
Wetin be the joy there?
Yeah, say she no even feel some type of say
no.
mama get belle for
she feel no feel am now. Give am some years. Give am some years.
Somebody say make they go check their brain, the two of them. So
they know they all right. No.
The mama and the daughter.
They know they all right. Now this kind of people.
Abomination.
Why they call her? How do they call them for na language?
Ewo.
Abba.
But they be Oyinbo now, so I think
so. Oyinbo now, anything goes.
Yeah, I think we don't never see white person where they marry pillow, where they marry tree, where they marry. I don't see their videos now. You know where we say na burger in marry.
Burger.
Yes, burger. They do wedding. Where they I don't know how they take wear white for the burger. Where we say na man marry the burger. They put white. I don't know how they put the white veil. As in they say kiss your bride, you open a burger called the kiss burger. Instead na the burger go become your wife forever. The one where marry pillow. Kiss your bride, he kiss the pillow. The one where marry.
No. And you sure all this is not be acting?
No, Lady Jane. No, I feel show you. They marry stuffs like that. So if they can do stuff something like that. The world where mama and daughter can't get belle for the same man. No be abomination to them now. So that's why I say I go play out for you. Make you hear her. Chukwaju. All right. Yeah, you don't hear the first one. Make I play the second voice note for you.
Oh, yeah, no.
And for those with this second one, I don't talk earlier on. Say the woman actually been give this girl out for adoption. You know, when the girl they very, very small. So when the pikin can't grow, you know, maybe the pikin they stalk the woman. I don't know. So the woman there for shopping mall. The woman go buy something for each a shopping mall. So this lady can't walk up to him, say, can't ask him question. The girl can't ask the woman, did you leave up a little baby for adoption some time ago? The woman said, yes, I did. Make her play the voice note. Make it be like saying, I mean, they talk all this talk. Make you get the response where the woman can't give the girl. Because normally, when something like this happen, you go say, the woman go say, oh my God, my daughter, I'm sorry. But the woman should not even do the remorse. The woman say, make the girl go meet therapist. Make the therapist go look into her case. Say, he gets reason why he adopt the baby. At that time, say, make the girl no just come walk up to her. Does she think she can walk up to her and be reminding her of the baby where he live for adoption? Make her just play so that you will feel understand that.
Is your name Rebecca Jameson?
Yes.
And did you live in Waco, Texas 20 years ago?
Yes.
Hi, I'm sorry, I'm really excited to meet you. I've been looking for you for a really long time. This is it's a little weird to say. I never expected that I would find you just like randomly.
I'm sorry, can you cut to the chase here?
Well, 20 years ago you gave up a baby, right?
Yes.
A daughter?
Yes.
That was me. Hi, I'm your daughter. I don't know
how did you get my location?
I didn't have your location.
I'm sorry.
Randomly, but I've been looking for you and I randomly found you.
I gave you up for adoption. It was a closed adoption. This is inappropriate. There's a reason why the adoption was closed, and it's really not okay for you to be tracking me down right now.
Well, I'm sorry that I wanted to meet you, and you don't have to have anything to do with me. I just wanted to tell you that I forgive you, and I'm an adult and I understand, and that I love you. And I'm excited to meet you.
I think you need to go to therapy and deal with all of this on your own. Thank you for forgiving me, but I actually don't feel sorry for what happened, and for giving you a chance at a better life. So why don't you just continue going on that better life chance? And please do not contact me, do not talk to me, or do not come near me ever again. This was a closed adoption.
So there's no part of you that ever wanted to meet me?
No. It's case closed, okay? It was a very long time ago.
Okay, so she started tell and say, make she could not come look for him again. Say, waiting she do when she give him up for adoption. Now, waiting they call closed adoption. So the closed adoption actually means say she no go contact. She not go look for any way to contact the pikin. The pikin too not supposed to look for any way to contact them after the adoption. Say she give them chance at a better life. See, because at that time when she leave her for adoption, she was not ready to do anything, with the child. And at that time when we say she be still there young when she give her up for adoption, there was no way she fit give him a better life. So now why she go put him off for adoption so that anybody will see him will come from a correct family will get money, so they go fit adopt him
and give him
the life where she no fit give him. So she say she no appreciate the fact say she can't walk up to her and start telling her say I'm your daughter that you gave up some years ago, blah blah blah. So make she go meet therapist if say she dey feel some type of way, say because she doesn't feel any way based on the adoption we say she give am, and that was 20 years ago. So make she please no come look for her again.
To be honest,
question wey come up, people can ask waiting you feel with the response.
Very insensitive, if you ask me. Very very insensitive. Now I appreciate the fact say she no abort the pikin, because that now with an option a lot of ladies for her age at the time go look at. So for to say okay, rather than say I go abort this pikin, I go rather put them up for adoption to fit give them the life way I know fit give them. I applaud them for that one. But to tell them say no look for me, no talk to me, all this one, I honestly it dey very harsh, very insensitive. Because one thing I know, I say the heart of a mother na her pikin. Now I get one music video where I watch, I go look for that video again, and the guy they sing about him mama. When my mama get in belly, the boyfriend no one day responsible, and the girl don't they go through so much with her family where they tell her say make she abort the pikin, she no want abort the pikin. So she can't go one particular agency, whether an agency or hospital. She don't sign paper with the family say when she ready to give birth. As she they give birth like this, they will come. The family where don't adopt the pikin will come carry am. That na wetin she decide. So the day where she born the pikin, as she carry the pikin for her, they play with the bond with the pikin. Now so that family come. As then take the pikin from her, she dey cry, because she know say she no fit give this pikin the life which she go like give am, rather than kill am, make am. But the pain of separation, you fit see am for her body. But the boy sing, the boy don't become grown man. He sing one song. He say, "When you give me up, you give me everything. Now everything where you feel say you no fit give it, now you give to me." So this boy get the understanding, say now based off on say this my mama no fit help me at that time, now make she do wetin she do. So he appreciate. But my point now say every woman we go ever say take my pikin, give my pikin the life I no fit give am, they come from with a lot of pain, the pain of separation. So for this woman do not feel say 20 years ago, see pikin where I give out. They tell her say me she go for my fit therapist. I mean say she don't harden her heart. She no care. She say she no regret her. No, at least you know ki human being. But those things where she talk very insensitive, very hurtful. I feel bad when she tell her. I feel bad for the girl. Very hurtful, very insensitive, hard words, harsh words.
All right, good. For those where they we don't know about adoption, well, now two types of adoption now in day, closed adoption and there is the open adoption. So the closed adoption now when the family will adopt the child or the adoptive family no get contact with the biological or birth parent of the child. The adoptive parents gets little or no personal information. The people who adopt themselves, they no go get any information about the person we born am. So in the type of adoption, biological parents no go stay in contact or play any active role in the life of that pikin because somebody else now don't adopt them. So the adoptive parent now them go gain legal parenthood of that child. Whereas the open adoption, that one a type of adoption where allow contact between biological parents and adoptive parents. So the adoptive parents get legal parental rights over that child where they adopt, but the biological parents fit play active part in the child adoption and continue to stay in touch even after they don't give them up for adoption. So I feel talk say maybe the woman too, maybe she dey scared because say that other one, the close adoption, if you do it come with legal backing. You understand? So I don't know, maybe at a point if court can't know say they get in contact or she gets in contact with that child, I don't know, maybe there is any legal implication.
I get that
maybe
part.
Say go there on top her head.
But they need to understand, say first of all, the person in question don't become adult. She be 20 years old to 20 plus years. And now this girl don't they find them. Not be saying that even the biological mama don't they find the pikin. Now this girl they find her. I'm sure say this girl don't they ask her adoptive parents, say who be married parents, who be married mama. So maybe they feel say okay, at this point she don't become adult and she they old enough to fit handle what they go tell them, and she decide by herself say I won't go find my mother. So at that point you no fit blame the biological mother. Now this girl nine they find them, and you know fit stop her. She'd be adult already.
But I just feel say the woman, even if she first behave to her like that, maybe she dey go one corner, they cry. But she no fit just say so my daughter, but she no fit just throw am for her face because so na close adoption it be. But another thing about one of the cons, because I know everything for this side they get advantage and disadvantage. I think one of the disadvantage of this close adoption now the fact say if you have felt a child's emotional health. If it affects the sense of identity of that child, imagine that kind of child. Maybe the person will can adopt you too, they treat you the best way. That kind of child go feel abandoned. At the same time, that kind of child, go feel rejected.
Go get anger and bitterness against the parents.
And because the adoption records they sealed. They say they did very, very difficult for that child to get information or contact the real parent we born. So I just now which I feel so because when I saw the video, so at some point I'm like, which kind mama be this? Where you could even talk, say, don't contact me again. If you have any problem, go and deal with it. Go and meet a therapist. Now I can't try to read about the close adoption. I can't say, oh, okay, now because of the things we come with them. So I'm going to because they listen to what I'm going to the verse for the woman. You say rubbish woman. Say, if the girl na superstar now. If the guy na superstar musician or sports person wey don blow, wey dey very very rich well, say na this woman will go look for her. Say rubbish.
Na so they do now.
Woman.
That's what they do.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.